Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check e-scooter availability on Citymapper. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that you can see at the middle of the screen the e-scooter option. Click on that, and now you can see all the e-scooters, um, the Lime e-scooters, because in this city there are other brands as well, but this app shows only this brand. So you can see all over the city the available scooters, and you can see, if you click on one of those on the map, then it's battery, the kilometers, and how many minutes you need to get to the scooter. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.